Good morning, class 11. Dear student, topic probabilities continue and questions based on application of permutation and combination. Question is, a 5-digit number is formed by the digits 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 without repetition. Find the probability that number is divisible by 4. See the solution. Dear student, as you know, probability PE equal to NE over NS. NE means number of favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes. So here total number of outcomes are 5P5 and that is 5 factorial and 5 factorial is 120. These numbers can be rearranged and by 5p 5p and the repetition is not allowed. Now the NE is obtained from these 5 digits like that. These are 3 initial digits and these are the last 2 digits. If a number is divisible by 4, then the last 2 digits should be divisible by 4. So last 2 digits may be, that is 12, 24, 32 and 52. If these 2 places is filled by these 4 numbers, then the number is divisible by 4. And these 3 places, if we take 2 numbers here, then 3 numbers will left, they can be interchanged by 3p3 ways, means 3 factorial. And these 2 numbers can be taken by 4 ways. So it is into 4. We can select any number from these 4 numbers. So it is 6 into 4 is 24. Now the probability PE equal to 24 upon 120 and 24 5 is 120. So this probability is 1 upon 5. Required probability is 1 by 5. Dear student, next is out of 9 outstanding students in a college, there are 4 boys and 5 girls. A team of 4 students is to be selected for each program. Find the probability that 2 boys and 2 girls are to be selected. So see the solution. There are 9 students and we have to select the 4 students from these 9 students. So probability, as you know, NE over NS. So NS is total number of outcomes, that will be 9C4. It is 9 factorial into 4 divided by 4 factorial into 5 factorial. And it will be 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 factorial divided by 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 into 5 factorial is cancelled out. Then 3 to the 6, 4 to the 8, so it is 18 into 7. 7 8 is 56, carry 5, then 7 1 is 7 and 5 12. So it is 126. 18 7 is 126. Now let's find the NE. So here NE means number of favorable outcomes. That is 4C2 into 5C2. 4C2 is 6. 4 factorial upon 2 factorial into 2 factorial. Into 5C2 is 10. It is 5 factorial upon 2 factorial into 3 factorial. So it is 4 into 3 into 2 factorial upon 2 into 2 factorial into 5 into 4 into 3 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 3 factorial. 2 factorial is 2, 2 is 4, is cancel out, 2 is, so it is 6 into 10 is 60. So NE is 60. Now we find the probability which is NE over NS. So it is 60 upon 126. 6 1 is 6, 6 0, 6 2 is 12, 6 1 is 6. So it is 10 upon 21. Required probability is 10 upon 21. Dear student, next question is, in a lot of 12 microwave ovens, there are 3 defective units. A person has ordered 4 of these units, and since each is identically paired, the selection will be at random. What is the probability that there are 3 parts? First part, all 4 units are good. Second part, exactly 3 units are good. And the third part, at least 2 units are good. Dear students, see the solution. There are 12 microwave ovens in which 3 are defective units. So good ovens are 12 minus 3 means 9. There are 9 ovens which are good. Now we have to select 4 units. We have to select 4 units. So this is a probability PE is PE1, that it is PE1 and E1 over NS, and NS is total number of outcomes, that is 12C4. So it is 12 factorial upon 4 factorial into 8 factorial, and it is 12 into 11 into 10 into 9 into 8 factorial divided by 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 into 8 factorial is cancelled out. 4 3 is 12, 2 5 is 10. So it is 11 into 5 into 9, or it is 55 into 9, which is 9 5 is 45. Carry 4, 9 5 is 45 and 4 50. So it is 505. Now NE1, it is 9C4. So it is 9 factorial upon 4 factorial into 5 factorial. then it is 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 factorial. Divided by 4 factorial is 24 into 5 factorial. Is cancel out. 6 4 is 24, 4 2 is 8. So it is 9 into 2 into 7. Now we find the probability. So PE1 is 9 into 2 into 7 divided by 505. Now 9 5 is 55, then 9 5 is 45, then 9 5 is 45. So it is 14 upon 55. Required probability is 14 upon 55. Now, in the second part, exactly 3 units are good. So it is like PE2, it is NE2 over NS. NE2 equal to 3 units are good, so it is 9C3 into 1 unit is not good, defective, so it is 3C1. Now 9C3 is 9 factorial upon 3 factorial into 6 factorial, and 3C1 is 3. Then it is 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 factorial divided by 3 factorial is 6 into 6 factorial into 3. Is cancel out, 3 2 ja, 2 4 ja. So it is 9 into 4 into 7. Now probability PE2, it is 4 into 9 into 7 upon 505, it is 55. So required probability is 28 upon 55. PE2 is 28 upon 55. PE1, it is 14 upon 55. Now we will find PE3, in which there are at least 2 units are good. Now we will find NE3. It means number of favorable outcomes in which at least 2 units are good. So if at least 2 units are good, there may be 2 units, 3 units may be good and 4 units may be good. So it is 9C2 into 3C2 plus 9C3 into 3C1 plus 9C4, all unit may be good. Now we will simplify this term. 9C2 is 9 factorial upon 2 factorial into 7 factorial into 3C2 is 3. It is 9 factorial upon 3 factorial into 6 factorial. 3C1 is 3. And 9C4, 9 factorial upon 4 factorial into 5 factorial. Let's simplify all these. So it is 9 into 8 divided by 2 into 3 plus 9 into 8 into 7 divided by 6 into 3 plus 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 divided जा 24, 4 2 जा 8, 3 2 जा 6, 2 4 जा 8, 2 4 जा 8. So here 9 common, it is 12 plus 28 plus 40. Then it is 9 into, that is 54. 40 plus 40. So required probability PE3 is 9 into 54 upon 505. It is 5, 9, 5 is 45, then 9 5 is 45. So required probability is 54 upon 55. So dear student, PE3 is 54 upon 55. These are all the part of the questions.